Hello everybody. Today we will discuss then how can you find out the square root of a number. 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number is given there only. We can find the square root of these number within few seconds. So first of all you must understand this one. You must know the square of 1, that is 1. 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So in these numbers we will see here is 1 square we are doing, so your unit place digit is 1, and in 9 square is also the unit place digit is coming 1. It means these two numbers are together. Similarly here is 2 square you are doing, so unit digit is coming 4, and where you are getting is 8 square, then the unit digit is also you are getting the 4. So these two have a relation. Similarly 3 square is 9 and 7 square unit digit is 9, so this 3 and 7. Similarly 4 square 6 and 6 square unit digit 6 is there, so these two 4 and 6 square. And 5 is the number whose unit digit is 5. This is a separate number is here, and 10 square you will do, so unit digit will come 0. So you should know, then if 1 square you are doing means the unit place digit may be 1. In case of 1 square you are doing or 9 you are doing, means 1 and 9 both you are doing the square, you will get the unit digit 1. Similarly 2 and 8. 2 and 8 square you are doing, then unit digit you will get 4. And 4 and 6. 4 and 6 square you are doing, then you will get the unit digit is 6. But in case of 5 square, 5 is here, and 10 square 0, this one. So there is a relation is here only. See, you want to find out the square root of this number 576. So just take last two digit first, 76. Unit digit is 6. So where you will get the 6 is here you are getting, in case either is 4 square you are doing or 6 you are doing, square you are doing. So it means the unit digit may be the 4 or maybe the 6. It may be the 4 unit digit, means whatever the square root will come of this number, इस number का जो भी square root आएगा उसकी unit place पर either 4 होगा या 6 होगा, because in these two cases we are getting 6 as a unit place. Now you must see this digit 5. Just see such the number which is very close to this number, square of that number must be. कौन सा number ऐसा है जो 5 के closer होगा उसका square, like 2 square, that is 4, which is very close to 5, means less than 5. And if you are taking the next number 2, means 3 square, that's 9, which is in that case 5 is less than 9. So we are supposed to take this number 2 is here, a smaller number we are supposed to take. इस digit के closer number square देखिए, that is this is the smaller number, 2 you will take. It means 10th digit will be the 2. 10th digit will be the 2. But what will be the unit digit is here only. In these two numbers, any one of the digit, कोई भी एक digit इनमें से होगी, वो कैसे पता चलेगा? जो भी smaller number is coming, which is closer to this one square, that number and उसका next, 2 का next 3, you are getting 6. Just multiply by this next number 6, and now compare this number 5 and this 6. This 5 is smaller than this one. It means from these two number, a smaller number will come here. So 24 is the square root of this number. Similarly, look at here now. 89. 9 is here. So 9, where you will get the 9 is there. In case of 3 and 7. 3 and 7 square you will do, you will get the 9. So it means the unit digit may be either 3 or maybe 7. Now check this number. 68 means 8 square, that is 64, which is less than 68. Next number 9 square 81, less than this one. So forget that. A smaller number is 8. 8 multiplied by the next number 9, you are getting 72. So this 68 is less than this number. So which number we will take at the unit place? A smaller number we will take. So 83 will be the square root of this number. Similarly here, in case of the 5 digit, same method is there. See now, 61. Last 2 digit we will take 1. Where you are getting 1? Either 1 or 9. Unit place digit may be either 1 or maybe the 9. Now just check these 3 numbers. This 21 square you are doing, that is 441. And 22 square you will do, that you will get 479, which is 22 square you will do, that is 489, which is less than this one. So closure number is 21, and 21 is multiplied by the next number 22. So what you will get? 2462. 244 462, and this is greater number of this one. So 21 will be here. So this number is more than this one. So greater number will come. So 219. So this is your answer. This is the square root of this number. So this is the trick is there. Now we will discuss. In case of the 6 digit is there, then how can you find out the square root of that number? Have a look. Okay, now in case of the 6 digit are given, then how can you find out the square root of this number? See, first of all, in step 1, we are supposed to check the unit digit. So unit digit is 9. Where you will get the 9? Unit digit is come 9. So in case of the 3, it means the whatever will be the number, the unit place digit may be 3, and 9 is also we are getting in case of the 7 square, or maybe the 7. First of all, just see the unit digit. पहले unit digit को देखिए, 9 किसके स्क्वायर में आ रहा है? 3 और 7. It means whatever will be the square root of this number, उसकी unit place पर या तो 3 होगा या 7 होगा. Now see the first 2 digit. First 2 digit is here, 38. So the square, 6 square is 36. That is less than this one. 7 square you will do. This is less than 38, but 7 square 49 is less than. So we will take the smaller value. So it means the unit, the 100 place digit will be 6. But we must know the middle digit is there. So for that one, this method is there. In second step, you must find out the root digit. Root digit, how can you find out? Just add all these digits. 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 9. What do we get? 32. You will get 9, 10, 12, 20, that is 31. Add these two. 3 plus 1. 4. So 4 is your root digit. Later on we will understand why we are going to find the root digit is here. Now by the traditional method you are supposed to find out this one only. See, according to that your number is 3, 88, 129. We will make the pair 29, 81, this one. So 6, 6 is 36. Subtract 2. This 6 we will add is here 12. Take down 81. Now here whatever the digit we will write here, same digit we will write here, multiply that, it should be less than or equal to this number. So approx for this coming digit we can hide this one 2 times approx 2. So 2 to the 4, 4, 2. This one. It means your middle digit will be 2. Now the question is there, in these two numbers 623 and 627, which one is the square root of this number? So to check this one, what we will do, see, this is your step 4. 623 you are taking, add these numbers. So 6, just write down 2 times. So this is 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. This is 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, 2, that is equal to 4. And this is coming equal to your this root digit. It means your answer is this one. You can check this one also. Now 6 to 7, if you will take, you will get 15 into 15. 6 to 7 into 6 to 7 we will do, not equal. See, so 6 to 7, 7, 8, 9, 15 into 15, and this is 6 into 6, this is 36, is equal to, is known 3 plus 6, that is 36 you are getting here. 6 into 6, 36 you are getting, and which is not equal to, means the unit digit is not 4, is not equal to 4 is here only. So that's why this number cannot be the square root of this number. So square root of this number is this one. So in case of the 6 digit is there, just take the unit digit first, then first 2 digit, and for the middle digit you should apply the traditional method. So within few seconds you can do that. So have a look.